In this first startling Ring doorbell footage, we witness a bold trespasser confidently striding onto someone's property. Seemingly undeterred, he begins to roll up equipment cables left unattended. However, the unexpected unfolds as the vigilant homeowner steps out just in the nick of time, confronting the intruder and turning the tables on this audacious act. In this chilling Ring doorbell footage, a man ominously positions himself right in front of someone's door, pressing the doorbell with a sinister purpose. As the camera starts rolling, he unleashes a series of threats directed at the homeowner through the intercom system.
Women, bro. I got news for you, buddy. You hit the wrong girl last night, homie. I'm gonna be here every day until you answer the door, I promise you. And I'm not the one you want, homie. I'm a real Italian gangster. I'm gonna treat you as such.
In this gripping nighttime Ring doorbell scenario, a stranger emerges, attempting to break into someone's door under the cloak of darkness. The tension escalates as the homeowner swiftly intervenes, courageously confronting the intruder and demanding an immediate departure.
The door! You better leave! I'm calling the police! Get out of here! Linda, call the police! Don't open the door, Linda. Call the police! Don't open the door!
In this suspenseful Ring doorbell scenario, we observe a man stealthily approaching someone's house under the cover of night, his intentions veiled in mystery. As the unsettling scene unfolds, the homeowner springs into action, swiftly intervening to protect their property.
Get out of there!
In this shocking Ring doorbell scenario, a driver is caught on camera in a perplexing turn of events. As the scene unfolds, the individual reverses their car, only to abruptly ram into the vehicle parked directly behind. The impact results in a cascade of damage, leading to a serious vandalizing of the car in question. In this relatable Ring doorbell scenario, a lady from the downstairs apartment urgently ascends the stairs, driven by the overwhelming disturbance of unbearable noise emanating from her neighbor's upstairs residence.
Hello. Hey, just have a really nice question to ask you guys. I'm downstairs with my neighbor. We're trying to visit all morning long. All we're hearing is... Can you keep it quiet? Yeah, please.
After a while, she comes back again, but now with increased aggression. She vehemently complains about the noise coming from the house.
Yeah, if you thought that was funny, it wasn't. If you want us to call the cops and report you for noise ordinance, because this goes on 24/7.
I have a toddler. You can call the police all you like, because you guys stay on my feelings all the time. So go ahead and call the police so we can report it right back. I have a
Go right ahead.
Call the cops.
Go right ahead. We have the right to live in a peaceful community, and you don't hear banging around 24/7.
You don't like it, buy a house. So there's an apartment downstairs.
Bye.
In this bizarre and amusing Ring doorbell scenario, the tranquility of the night is disrupted as a mysterious stranger approaches someone's door. With an unexpected twist, the stranger not only presses the doorbell but also breaks into an impromptu dance, creating a surreal spectacle. Adding to the oddity, the individual begins pleading with the homeowner to grant entry.
Well, please let me in, please. My name is Mel Gray. I'm Mel Gray Jr. Mel Gray is my father. He's a famous baseball player. You can look it up. Please, you have a Ring doorbell now. Please let me in. I don't know if you're a man or a sir. Please open the door. Please. It's cold out here, man.
In this chilling Ring doorbell scenario, the tranquility of a roadside work scene is shattered when two individuals make a sudden and ominous appearance. Swiftly changing their course, they approach the unsuspecting workers, brandishing firearms and instilling fear. The atmosphere becomes tense as the perpetrators threaten and rob the individuals of their possessions. In this amusing yet surprising Ring doorbell scenario, a young-looking guy finds himself right in front of someone's house, pressing the doorbell with an air of confidence. As the homeowner responds, it becomes clear that a mistake has been made. The young visitor is in the wrong apartment. The situation takes an unexpected turn as the true intentions behind the visit unfold.
Yo. Wrong apartment, dude.
In this harrowing Ring doorbell scenario, a seemingly routine door knock takes a dark turn. As the homeowner steps out to see who's at the door, a sudden disruption unfolds. A passing vehicle screeches to a halt and the occupants unleash gunfire into the air, casting a frightening shadow over the unsuspecting homeowner and visitor.
Hello. Dr. Brad.
Hi. We'll be right there.
Why?
In this suspenseful Ring doorbell scenario, a would-be porch thief is caught in the act just as the homeowner makes a timely appearance. The homeowner confronts the intruder, leading to a tense exchange of questions. As the homeowner demands answers, the intruder faces scrutiny, unable to provide proper identification.
Yeah, I was delivering to packages. I delivered them earlier, and I just wanted to make sure that they were the right place, the wrong address.
What do you work for? Who did you deliver? That.
Delivery. I was just double checking on this.
Did you deliver packages the other day?
There was still
Where's your, do you have any, documentation that you actually work for UPS?
I'll get it for you right now.
In this alarming Ring doorbell scenario, the tranquility of the night is shattered as a drunk individual is caught breaking into someone's house. The inebriated intruder stumbles through the act, creating a scene of chaos in the dead of night. In this heart-pounding Ring doorbell scenario, a man unknowingly brings an unwelcome follower with him. As he opens the door and steps inside, a stranger attempts to exploit the opportunity, initiating a break-in. The situation escalates into a tense and scary moment as the homeowner, sensing the intrusion, confronts the stranger in a bid to protect their home and safety.
이게 한나라에 가는 거 느낌이야?
Hey, you don't live here, sir. Son, don't do that!
Hey, already fucking told you once. Get out of here. Get out of here. Get the f*** out of here.
No! Here, son, open the door, come on! Wait, let's hurry.
Oh.
Son!
Get it.
There's a drunk guy that's in our yard, in our house. He just came into our house.
Oh.
We got him out. Come in the house, shut the door, let's go. Come on, son, let's go. Get in the house. Get in the house. Let's lock the door.
No.
My cars are outside. They're fine. Here, I'm locking the door right now.
나 모르겠어.
As we approach the end of this video, I just wanted to say, if you've enjoyed the thrills and chills, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more hair-raising content. Remember to leave a comment, share with your friends, and hit that like button to help spread the fear.